What's going on, everybody? So today is, because I checked my fake watch and I don't have, today is currently the 4th, February 4th. I'm getting ready to head out here pretty quick. That's why I'm getting dressed. Today is one of my old classmates, their birthday, and she's going to school just down the road here at the university. So I'm gonna go pick her up and we're gonna go out to eat for her birthday. Not like that, no. No, but I just wanted to make this quick video real quick. Anyway. Just want to make this quick video. I have a lot in the works. Some things I just haven't revealed yet. But I will say I do have a few sponsors that are getting lined up. Nothing that's like full sponsorship. Everything's just partial. So it is beneficial for me right now. Kinda. I'm still kinda, obviously with work and everything, I'm still trying to get to a point to where I can just have, a couple $1,000s to drop on the Supra and order a bunch of parts at one time. And so while money is still an issue for upgrading and getting parts on the Supra, however, it is not as big of an issue, so that will really help me out a lot. And then hopefully sometime soon I'll be able to make my own exhaust for the car. As you guys probably have seen, I did the install of the CX Racing downpipe. You should be able to probably click over here and I'll put a thing to it. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and feel free to watch that. But what was I saying? Oh, right. I am planning on ordering just a bunch of like mandrel bent 3-inch pipes, and I'm just going to make my own exhaust. The only thing I have to get yet is, well, obviously I still have to order the pipes, but I still have to get try to find the flanges and stuff. I haven't decided whether or not I'm going to do and keep like the stock like flanges and stuff and just have it be bolt up, or if I'm going to switch to like V-band. Feel free to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, what I should do. Go V-band or just stick with the stock flanges. Keep in mind the motor is going to be coming out and we're going to be having a different turbo put on it. Hopefully by this time next year that Supra is going to be fully built. I've already got a place lined up that I want to have the motor built at, or at least I know of a place that I want to take it to. It's a place in Illinois or Indiana, and they've built a few Supras. Let's just say that. But I thought once I take it there, once I take it there, the car's gonna be done. That's gonna be the end of it. It won't be anything to where I still have to do this, still have to do that. It's like, no, once the car goes there and the engine gets built, it's gonna be done. That'll be the final rendition for that car, and then I'll get to start saving up and move on to the next one. If you've watched my dream car video, you might have a rough idea as to what car I want to get next. Obviously I'm gonna go from cheapest to most expensive, so hopefully that kind of narrows it down quite a bit for you guys. But no, I've got a lot in the making. I know I haven't been making videos, and I said that I would. Supra has been parked since around the first of the year. Actually, no. I drove it back and parked it for Christmas. And then the following week I drove back to where I had it parked and got it finished. Basically, I finished the cleanup on it. Made sure it was nice and clean before I put it away for the winter. So that was all done. But, no, ever since then, it's like I told you guys I was going to make videos here over the winter, and I just haven't, and I am sorry. Time has kind of gotten away from me. I haven't really known what videos I could make. I've just been kind of trying to work as much as possible, you know, rack up that money and save up, and it's, so far 21 is going a lot better than 2020 did. And as long as that trend continues, I'm all for it, honestly. But I thought I would just kind of sit down real quick, you know, while I've still got some time here, and just kind of explain myself a little bit as to why I haven't made a video since the last one of me parking the car, and kind of what's going on a little bit, trying to drop a few hints as to what I've got coming up, and I really don't think you guys are ready. I really don't. Trust me, the lack of videos has not been wasted. It's, I want to say it. I really do, but I don't know if I will. I might just keep it a secret until I'm able to... Screw it. If you guys want to know, I'll be dropping some more hints. I do have an Instagram. It's got like 100 or so followers at this point. Go ahead and I'll leave the link down to my Instagram handle, or to my... I'll leave my Instagram down in the description if you guys want to head over there and follow me. I'll be giving some more. I give a lot more details about it up there, over there. It's just easier to, you know, quick whip out my phone, post a picture or whatever, and then throw it up on there rather than make a video, edit it, make sure I'm here at my computer to edit it properly, and then obviously upload it to YouTube. But I've got a lot in the works. Things are coming, and I really hope you guys are just as excited about this as I am. I can't stop smiling just thinking about it. I hope your guys' 2021 is going first. I hope the first month of 2021 has gone just as well for me as it has for you guys. Again, things are coming. Just be patient. Good things come to those who wait. Thank you guys for watching. This quick little update. One take. I'm probably not going to edit much of this. I did pause in between a few sentences. I'm still working on facing the camera and kind of going through my head what to say. But I think I'm getting a little better at it. But yeah, with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in the